Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video session, I will show you how to convert this number into the English word and how to convert this number into the currency by using a Google Sheet. To perform this conversion, Google Sheet does not have the inbuilt function. So we have to install the external application for this. So for that, go to the extension, here add-ons option available. Just select this and click on get add-ons. So you will find one window will open. And here type number text. So we're gonna add this external application. Select this and here this application available, just click on it and click on the install. So here one window will pop up. We need to select our Gmail account. We'll click on continue. Click on allow. Once Gmail login will be done, we need to close this window. So it has been installed. Then click on done and close this window. Now we have number text function. So for that is equal to, here type is equal to number text. Here you will find number text translate number into the word. So select it, select this cell and close the bracket. Click on enter. So you will find here 9931. This value will come here, like this translation is completed. So this is in the small letters, like if you want the initial letters in the capital, so just use the proper function before that. So is equal to proper open bracket and here close bracket and click enter. So here you will find it will come in the proper format and just drag down it. You will find all these numbers will convert it into the words, right? So this is one of the easiest method. Another conversion method from number to number currency. So for that we're gonna use the money text function. So for that is equal to, here type is equal to money text. So here select the money text, convert number text into the given currency. Select this cell, then comma, in double quotes, type INR, Indian rupees, INR, and close the bracket and do the enter. So you will find here it will come as 9931 Indian rupees and 50 paise. Right? So I'll simply drag down it. So all this number is converted into the currency, Indian currency. Now, if you want to convert this currency into the dollar, so just change this currency over here. I'll take as a USD, and do enter. So it's converted into the dollar, 9,931 US dollars and 50 cents. So just drag down. So formula will automatically apply for the below cells. In this way, you can do the conversion for currency. I hope guys this video is really useful for you.